Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Showpad for content sharing with prospects. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and launch your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Showpad URL and press enter. Wait for the Showpad homepage to load completely. Look for the login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated area. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Showpad dashboard. Here, you can view your available content. To share content with a prospect, navigate to the specific folder or library. Click on the content you wish to share. Look for the share icon, usually represented by an arrow or link symbol. Click on the share icon to generate your sharing options. You will see various options for sharing, including sending a link or email. Choose your preferred sharing method. If you select link, copy the generated link provided. If you opt for email, enter the prospect's email address. Add a personalized message if desired. Click on Send to share the content. You have now successfully logged in and shared content with your prospect. To log out, return to the dashboard and locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon and select Logout from the drop-down menu. You have completed the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.